Hello guys! No, it's still morning. It's 11 o'clock. I got ready because we're going for a birthday party. My Filipino friends are going. So it's a happy Saturday, everyone. Saturday today, no school. So yeah, I'm just popping in the shop quickly kay magbayad ko og food ni Jacob.
Welcome to the Woods Family Stories.
Uy!
Alam nga, di ba yung abot diri, wala kaon pa ni Abdo.
Uy, Jacob, wait.
It's okay.
Come here, honey. Let's come in. Come on.
Hi! Daniel and Sophia.
That's Sophia.
Jacob, hang on. Wait, lang.
It's hard. They all go obsessed. They say,
You go follow them. We need to give the present
well,
first.
we will play later on. Come here. Come here.
Wow!
You stay here with us, Daniel.
Alright, time to out of the swing. I know.
They were there.
We did like this. No, I know.
Hey guys, sus nalingaw jud kog tabi-tabi. Uy, wa ko video dito sa balay. Nami sa birthday party unya. Ang ilang balay naaraman sa tungod sa playground. So we're here at the playground at the moment. I took the kids out. Kay murag na kuha na sila sa balay. There's Jacob and Sophia. Anay.
Oh, sorry.
Ah.
Welcome to the Philippines. This is Philippines in the UK. Welcome.
Yeah, very nice.
Can I get
Put him in the car safe, you'll have accent for your
Happy birthday to you. You go in there na go. Day to you. Happy birthday, dear Bluebell and Jaden. Happy birthday to you. Spaghetti. Filipino style spaghetti. Gikan sa party. Napay biko niya na unang kahurot kay dali kayong kakauno. Ay, lami kayo.